Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into the details of the upcoming 2026 Mazda CX-30, a fresh take on one of Mazda's most popular crossovers. Building on the legacy of the CX-30 that captured hearts with its powerful turbo engine and standout design, Mazda is gearing up to make a splash with the new 2026 edition. The new CX-30 is expected to carry forward the spirit of its predecessors while introducing innovative tweaks that make it even more appealing. Rumors suggest that Mazda might enhance the turbocharged performance with an updated 2.5-liter engine, potentially delivering a bit more horsepower and refined torque for a sportier drive. Whether you're drawn to the thrilling turbo version or prefer the efficient base engine, the CX-30 promises versatility with features that suit both everyday commutes and adventurous getaways. On the exterior, the 2026 CX-30 is likely to sport a refreshed design, featuring a sleek, aggressive front fascia with sharper LED headlights and an optional new black appearance package. These changes could give it a bolder, more contemporary look compared to previous models while still honoring Mazda's signature styling cue. Inside, expect an upgraded cockpit with premium materials, a redesigned infotainment system boasting a larger touchscreen with faster response times, and a driver-focused layout that balances modern tech with classic comfort. Enhanced safety features and advanced driver assistance systems will also likely be standard, elevating the overall driving experience. As for the release date, predictions are pointing to a spring 2026 debut, and early pricing hints suggest a range between $27,000 and $35,000, depending on the trim and engine choice. In addition, Mazda is expected to refine its infotainment and connectivity systems, enhancing both usability and integration with modern tech. This blend of performance and technology sets a promising tone for Mazda's future. That's all for today's overview. If you're as excited as we are about the 2026 Mazda CX-30, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.